Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. Peace, love, salam, hotep. Praises to the Most High. Divine greatness, man. I just want all my people to stay elevated, stay conscious. And what do y'all see when y'all look at this? When I look at this picture, I see the death of tobacco as a plant. I see cannabis. Now, cannabis, we only can say they got deaths from cannabis because the government made it illegal. And due to foolish people doing what they're doing off acts of cannabis. But the same thing happened with tobacco. But how can tobacco be legal, but cannabis is not legal? You got so many things in this world that's legal, that's not supposed to be legal, but it's somehow legal. And the things that can help you and motivate you and make you become a free thinker, it is illegal. You feel me? Like, we need to ask questions about these things, man. How come I can be giving my child this across country to heal? I know this is healing my child ADHD. I know this is healing my child cancer. I know this is healing my child chronic disease. I know this herb is healing me in so many ways. But because the government can't tax it, it's illegal, and I can throw you in my jail. That makes no sense. You feel me, family? What type of forces are we playing with? What type of people playing God? What type of people throwing you into their money system? That's what we need to be asking. You heard me? You got more debt from alcohol, more debt from cigarettes, more debt from prescription drugs than marijuana. You won't find no debt from marijuana. But it's a billion deaths from prescription drugs. It's a billion deaths from cigarettes. It's a billion deaths from alcohol. Man, I used to be drinking alcohol, and I used to be out here foolish on alcohol. I'm talking about foolish. Ain't even thinking what I'm doing. Ain't even being responsible. I'm talking about cutting up. Cigarettes, I needed a cigarette for everything. Every time you turned around, you heard me, I need a cigarette. I need a cigarette to use the bathroom. I need a cigarette to eat. I was so traumatized and manipulated by all the advertisements, all the stuff coming on about these cigarettes. I thought I was really addicted to cigarettes. I just let it go. I had to let it go. I had to live into now, the now moment, the present now. Ain't no yesterday, ain't nothing but a continuous from today. You heard me? You ain't doing nothing but going to sleep, waking up. You feel me? You got 12 hours of daytime. You got 12 hours of when the sun out, when the sun's shining, then you got 12 hours when we can't see the sun. That means the planet is in the shade. The planet is shaded. So we can't see this part. You feel me? That's all it is. We're in the continuation of now. It's only now. And you some people probably be confused. Oh, what you talking about now? We got cannabis, we got time, we got all this, but time and space can be altered. Time and space can be altered. You feel me? It's energy and matter. That's all it really is. If you look at it on a metaphysical lens, it's energy and matter. Time and space can be altered, family. Time and space can be altered. You got to get out of this 6 electrons, 6 protons, 6 neutrons loop. You heard me? You can evolve further than that. That's just that's just the base of you. The 6 neutrons, 6 protons, and 6 electrons. That's just the base of the atom. That's just the nucleus. Come on, man. Don't get me too deep on this. But at the end of the day, marijuana is safer than alcohol. Why is he dropping this commercial? Why is he dropping this video? What is this about? I just want to let y'all know, family, get out of believing everything the government tell you that's good for you when apparently tobacco is legal. Alcohol is legal. It's legal. But cannabis is illegal. You know how many people be, you know how many of our parents be straight? You know how many of our parents, our elders want to smoke marijuana, but can't smoke marijuana? Why? Because they job. Why? Because we do drug tests. But they got all type of stuff. Gummies, man. Come on, man. We got to stop playing these games. We got to wake up to our own mind, our own consciousness. You heard me? Then there's hemp. This paper, look at all the things that hemp do. This is what hemp make. The paper hemp. Come on, man. Hemp fabric, diapers, clothing, shoes, socks. This is what your hemp plant make. It's everything your hemp plant can make, family. It's everything your hemp plant can make, family. Come on, man. You got periodic cells and you got periodic cells, man. You heard me? You got the periodic cells and you got the periodic cells. You gonna be a prokaryotic cell or you gonna be an eukaryotic cell? Eukaryotic cells, animal. Periodic cells, superior beings. An eukaryotic cell is animal-like. Fungus. You feel me? Which one are you going to evolve to, family? Peace, love, and prosperity, man. Understand geo and bioscience. You heard me? You are a scientist. That's what you got to remember, man. Forget all the foolishness. You can listen to people all you want, but they ain't doing nothing. But that's just like a fiend for knowledge. You letting go things, so you fiending for this knowledge. But at the end of the day, it's inside of you. That's why you vibing to it. That's why you can understand it, or overstand it, or understand it. So now it's time for you to tap in. Now it's time for you to let me see what's going on. Let me dig into this. Let me find my own truths. You feel me, family? Come on, man. Get out, man. When I say get out of the oppression, get out of the ultra light, get out of the light cold lockdown, which is the TV screen. Wake up from the Matrix. Wake up from Sucker Freeman story. Wake up from these stories, man. Find out your own story. You heard me? Find out who you are. You are a being. A being means something that's in existence. You feel me? Man, free all the legends, man. Hotep, man. Salam, man. I shake, man. Nine Ether Beam, man.